So we can calculate N2, that is the noise output power for noisy network 2. So in the diagram you can watch it. Where is the N2, where is the N3? In the diagram you can watch it. Here this is G2, this is G1, this is noise output power for noisy network 1, and similarly we can get noise output power for noisy network 2. And now we have to calculate N3. So if this is the noise input power, this is the noise input power for noisy network N2, this is the noise input power for noisy network N2. So what will happen, this N2 will be multiplied with the gain of noisy network 2, the gain is G2, and you will get N3, that is the noise output power of N3. N2 is the noise input power of noisy network 2, and N3 is the noise input power, noise output power for noisy network 2. So N2 is the input to noisy network 2, N3 is the output noise power for noisy network 2. So input multiplied by gain, that will be the output noise power. And since the general formula KTB that we use, so in place of N2, if you will put this complete value if you will put, finally by solving, you will solve this K, B, T0, G1, F1, G2, this we will get from this first term, then plus K, B, T0, F2 minus 1, K, B, T0, and since this G2 is multiplied with this one, so G2, F2 minus 1. But since here as a whole G1 is taken out as a constant, so in this term since G1 is not there, so we have to divide it by G1, and this will give us the final formula for noise output power for the complete noisy network. And the total effective noise for the total effective noise expression in terms of effective noise temperature for cascading may become this one, but let us see the first one here. The first one, from this one, the total noise power for two networks, for two stage cascaded networks, FT is the noise factor for the two stage noisy network. Okay, now how we can get this one? For that I have shown a simple calculation here. This one, FT, that noise factor for the complete network, for the cascaded network. So here it is SI, actual input to the complete network, divided by G into SI. G means the total gain and G into SI means the total output signal power, multiplied by total noise power and actual noise power input. Okay, so this we had earlier seen. Here signal to noise ratio divided by signal to noise ratio at the output. If you solve that one, so here you will get signal input divided by signal output multiplied by noise output divided by noise input. Earlier we have solved this formula. Now what we are doing, actual signal input is here and the actual signal output, since the signal will be multiplied by G1 and G2, two gains of the two stages, so this will the actual signal output multiplied by the actual noise output is N3 and the actual noise input is KBT0 to the cascaded network. So here SI cancelled, here you will get 1 by G1 G2 into N3. From this one you can put the values of N3, so that is KBT0 G1 G2 f1 plus f2 minus 1 divided by g1 and divided by this term kbt0 you have put here. Now g1 g2 cancelled, kbt0 cancelled. So what is the remaining part? The remaining part is this one that I am showing you, this one. The remaining part is this one only, that is f1 plus f2 minus 1 g1, and this is written here in the diagram. This is the actual noise figure for a cascaded network having two stages. For two stages it is f1 plus f2 minus 1 by g1. Those who can derive, please watch all the videos in a sequence and do the derivation by your own. Do the derivation step by step. Definitely you will be able to derive it, and if you will not be able to derive it, then simply try to learn this general formula, which is ft is equal to f1 plus f2 minus 1 by g1 if it is two stage. For third stage one more step will be added, f3 minus 1 divided by g1 by g2, g1 g2, plus fourth stage f4 minus f1 divided by g1 g2 g3. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to at least learn the noise factor formula for two stage cascaded network. Okay, and in the similar type, a similar expression in terms of effective noise temperature can be generated, that is equivalent noise temperature is equal to ft minus 1 T0. If you will put this ft formula in place of this ft minus 1 T0, then finally you will get this complete formula where each term is multiplied by T0. Okay, so this is not necessary to learn, but what you have to learn actually, that is this formula, that is the noise factor for two stage cascaded network, and the two stage cascaded network mathematical model is this one that you should remember, where the noise temperature, room temperature, is actually added with the effective noise temperature. So whenever we are going to study the cascaded network, what we have to understand, that two noisy networks can be considered as two noise free networks at which an extra noise term, the effective temperature, is added at the input. That's why this T0 is for noise free network and this TE1 is the effective temperature. So at each stage that has to be added. So somehow this is tiresome derivation, but if you want to learn, do it by your own, and I suggest all the students that at least you have to solve these two numericals. Number one, this one you have to solve, and the number two is this numerical you have to solve. This numerical you have to solve so that you can have an idea of proper conceptual concept of receiver noise handling. And at the end, the student must be able to solve this question: explain the noise factor for a cascaded network, derive the formula of noise factor for two stage network. So this is the end of this video lecture, and I think then by doing at your own hand, you will be able to understand the concept of complete derivation. Good luck, and solve these two numericals along with the question, explain the noise factor for a cascaded network, and derive the formula for a noise factor for a two-stage network. Good luck, student. Stay at home, stay safe, stay connected.